What's up, y'all? So today is the last day that we have the Z in our possession. So what we're gonna do now is air up the rollers and clean out the Z, and yeah, so we're gonna take it on its last few drives here and go from there. So yeah, so here she is. Yeah, if you haven't seen the previous vlog video, it's gonna be right up here. But yeah. I didn't get the cold start. I didn't get to record the cold start. But yeah, this thing's loud. So yeah, we just got done putting air in the tires. We're gonna go ahead and get it checked to make sure I did it right, because I don't have the little needle thing you read it off of. But yeah, so this is the last day that we'll be inside the Z. Yeah. Yep. Discount tire place. Just kind of waiting. So yeah, for this we're gonna go and clean out the Z, and then go about our day and take care of some of the stuff with my media stuff. So I go to the restaurant and we do photography and stuff like that in the marketing. So I'll show you guys a little bit of that. She's gonna be there because yeah, supportive. Back at the house now, so I just gotta clean out the Skyline with everything and clear her out. So yeah, sorry, not the Skyline, the Z. Clean out the Z. Correctamundo. But yeah, so thanks Jerry for the rollers. You can follow him here. I'll leave his Instagram there. But yeah, this is what she looks like. No rubbing, really, which is pretty cool. So yeah, here at the restaurant that I do the photography for, it's called Downtown Chandler Cafe. It's in downtown Chandler. Literally, it's called Downtown Chandler Cafe and Bakery. So I'm gonna do some photography work here, and yeah, I'll show you guys some of the cool, awesome foods that we cook here and make. And check out the Instagram right here on this page, and then our Facebook page will be in the link on that biography there. So definitely check it out. I'll go ahead and show you guys a couple of things here. It's pretty cool. All right, thanks. Alright, yo, so I just got done taking the photos for them, so now we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy some great food that they have here, and yeah, and then continue from there. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. Gotta edit some videos, so we can do that and print out the reports and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. She is.
I'm not naked.
So we're at Best Buy, looking at a radio for for the Skyline. That's what we're here today. Joe's the So I found a radio. I think it's gonna be the Pioneer radio. It's like 180 right now. Let's get in the Skyline.
Open the motherfucking door. Joshua, don't fucking do this right now.
Oh my god!
Fucking open the door. Joshua! Swear to God. Open the door.
It's like 110 degrees right now,
Joshua!
guys.
My fucking finger hurts. Just open the gate. Open the door!
Okay. Alright, y'all. So, Jules is back safely in the car. But we're gonna go home. Just got done running the errands. I'll think about the radio deck for the Skyline because it plays DVD players and I really want a DVD player. I don't know why. I just want one in there because, yeah, it'll be cool to play like Fast and the Furious movies while you're driving and go hardcore. So, yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna update you guys once we actually leave to go drop off the Z. Because right now we're just gonna go kind of chill and yeah, and do some more errands and stuff, clean up the house. So thank you guys for the support. I'll update you guys once we leave to go drop the Skyline off. Sorry, the Z off. But yeah, cool. So what do you got there, Jules?
AirPods.
She got her first ones ever, and yeah. So yeah, all right, now for reals, we're gonna update you once we get to the house. So, but yeah, just wanted to share that because she's been like asking for these forever. She got her little AirPods. Ignore the clip where she was running around. There's yeah, she was chasing me. So yeah, we're actually gonna hang out with Brandon, one of the longtime homies. We played Pokemon together, Yu-Gi-Oh, the card, learned how to drive, did our. I don't know what else we did, but I know what we did. Okay, whatever. Follow his Instagram right here. While he's driving, he's really focused.
Where were you?
Whoa, what? I'm being kidnapped. This is him.
What?
What? And of course, you got Jules back there. Give her. All right, whatever. Fake AirPods. Psych. They ain't fake. Be real. So yeah, we're gonna go handle some more errands. Brandon is like going like slower than Grandpa, so probably get there in like 2 hours. Yeah, he's slowing down even more. Yeah, he's hitting the brakes.
You wanna run into cars?
What was that, sir?
You wanna run into cars?
Behind a Prius, Brandon. Priuses are the worst and slowest things in America. Next to a Civic. No? That's a bad joke. Whatever, guys. I'll update you guys once we get to wherever we're going. And yeah, so more of So we're here today at the Boba place on Signal Butte and Baseline in Mesa, Arizona. We have Jules, and we're gonna taste their boba here and see if it's actually good. It's from Bosa Donuts. Bosa Donuts. Anyone who's local knows where Bosa Donut is, so that's what we're gonna try because it's hot. And then we're gonna continue our adventures with Brandon. Oh, these are bomb as. Look at this, mango boba at Bosa on Signal Butte and Baseline. Ask for an Asian lady. She's really nice. Be nice to her. I'm Asian, so whatever. Okay, but yeah, go ahead and try them out. So good. We're in the Z finally. This is the last ride in the Z. Yeah, it's gonna be insane. Think about it this way, you know? Like, but yeah, I mean, it's a new chapter. I want to say thank you to everybody who supported me on this build. And, you know, let's get the Skyline build going. I think think I might have did something earlier because in that previous clip, I think I might have overtuned it a little bit. But yeah, gonna miss this loud thing. Yeah, I'll update you guys once I get to the drop-off location. Because it's pretty damn like busy right now. A lot of cars and shit. So I'll update you guys there once I get there. But other than that, enjoy the last few minutes with the CEO, you know? So we're here where I work for. Yes, I work for Carvana. So we're selling the Z to Carvana. So yeah, that's its final resting place right there. So that's what we're gonna do. But we're waiting for Jules to get here, and that should be it. Yeah, it's kind of sad, but this is what it is. So I just want to say thank you for everyone, all the companies that supported me. My own work is on my vlog. Jules made it. Christian here, most support.
Yep.
No?
It's gonna start next week.
Yeah, he's got a build coming up. He went too hot boy sauce, so he cracked his block. I'm just kidding.
I didn't crack my block, dude. It's misfiring, dude.
He put a 70 millimeter turbo in there.
I don't think it's that just I don't want all the. Okay, that's just awkward, bro. Delete that, bro.
You sure? You sure? But yeah, we got Jules over here, you know, chilling.
So what are they gonna do?
What?
What are they gonna do?
I gotta poop. We're waiting. They're not gonna bring it up, Jules. They're gonna just look at it.
You gotta get your money.
Hand the keys over. Z keys, bro.
Dude, your car looks so lively with those wheels on, dude. Like, it's so. I know it's all like way tough.
They're making fun of the Z, bro. Whatever. It's alright. Stock wheels, man. Stock wheels, you know? Why? Alright, guys, so keys right here. Here's your Tekken second car, bro. Alright, so me and Christian are here. We're gonna look at this vehicle one more time. It's like we get a Skyline, like a GTR.
Yeah.
Just kidding. One day I'll buy it. I won't have to worry about this. But this is it. It's gonna get inspected. It's gonna do its thing. That's it. It's the end of it, you know? That's the end of it. So, yeah, other than that, that's about it. So, I'll update you guys once we're done here. We're gonna drive away in the Corolla. You got Brian O'Connor, whatever. Brian O'Connor, you know? So, but yeah, that's it. All right, it's official. Here's the sold paperwork for the dang car. I am gonna go cry my ass off really quick. Somebody hold these papers. I can't hold myself. Dude, I'm about to cry. So, this is it, y'all. Thank you again for the good times. Thanks for all the memories, all the good stuff, all the bad, all the ups and downs, for all the memories and new possibilities I was able to do. This is it, man. Alright, subscribe, guys, right here. See the previous video wherever, somewhere, but I'll update you guys on the Skyline.